Ooh, pottery basket. Hand painted and signed on the bottom. Okay, so today I am at the Restore the Habitat for Humanity, and make sure you watch all the way to the end because after this I'll be going to Salvation Army and I always end up finding something there. Let's get inside and see what we can find to resell on eBay. Alright, I don't think there are any sales today. Usually it's 20% off on Wednesday, but okay, so I think I'm going to get these plates. They lower them to $3 each. Cascade Pin City Pottery. Have some ballerinas on there. Let's put that one in. I don't see any damage on it. Then there's this one for $3. I'll get those. I can't remember how much I could get for them. Here's some milk glass. How much is that? $30. Flower that's broken. Nice yellow rose. Here's a porcelain flower basket. Oh, it lights up. What does that say? Portable lamp for $5? I only see a tiny bit of damage. Oh, I think I have to get that. That's beautiful. Yeah, little tiny chips on a couple petals, but I can't leave that behind. Never seen that before. That goes in the cart. I'm thinking I'll probably get like $25 for it, so I'm okay with that. All right, what is over here? From distance, it looked like wax. I don't know what that says. It says limited edition, though. I spotted some pottery. Let me take a look at this one. What does that say? E and F for $12. And this one, oh, that's Hall USA, $10. I would say that's about how much it goes for, 10, 15 bucks. So I'm gonna leave that. What are these? That's sign, it's pottery. Look at this one. Yeah, the two children picking flowers. PJ. For $5 each. I'm gonna put them in and research them. Let's put it in the cart. I don't want to leave and forget about it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the colors on it. 250 Pottery Barn rug. I thought it was a Mexican blanket at first. I wonder how much that sells for. Now look at these three ladies. Are these made by Gantz? I'm not sure. It looks like it has a little bit of age to it. Like 1980s, 90s. Probably had a sticker. They're $2.50 each. I kind of like them. From a distance, I thought it was the Red Hat Society, only because I saw all the red and the gold. Might as well get it on here. Ooh, it's a little teapot. Oh, it has frogs. What does this say on the bottom? Made in Japan. There's no cups with it?
No. I know.
How much is it? 30?
They were like a lot of money.
Back then, yeah.
No chips.
Yeah, I don't see any.
No
I'm surprised.
It's in very good condition.
Alright, so I was looking in the case and look how cute these salt and pepper shakers are. It reminds me of, almost remind me of the QB Baby. But now when I'm looking at it, it doesn't look so much. Yeah, it does, because they're looking to the side. They're $6. I think they sell for like $18. I'm not sure about those. Most likely made in Japan, but I love them. I was trying to research this set. I couldn't find anything on the Google Lens. I'm just trying to figure out who made them. Look, it has satin and then the clear. Mikasa, maybe? I'm not sure. Here's that duck again. $45. I think that one is just vintage, but it has a glass eye. All right, so I did a quick look through the bags. I found this one, a beautiful beaded work. It is made by Vanessa. For $2. It sells for like, I saw sold comps for 40 to 50 bucks, so I'm gonna put that in. I don't see any damage, just a little loose thread right there. What else is there? Let's see if that's another one. And it's a baby blue color. Oh, it has a chain inside too. Andrea Salini. I'll get that for $2. Put that in. What about this one? Ooh, silver. This one is all stained. We'll see who made it. That is La Regal. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one. Alright, so I did a little research on WorthPoint. There's sold comp for these two for $65. So I'm gonna spend $5 each, and nobody else has them listed, so I could potentially list them for more. It's made by Dunlap. Alright, I am heading over to Salvation Army. This is everything we're getting at the Restore. Alright, made it to Salvation Army. Senior citizens 50% off. Oh, look at this cute kitty. Oh, it's wax. It would have been good for Halloween. Some pottery. Some tiles down here. Nice pretty pink. Oh, made in Spain. Patentando. Blah, blah, blah. Oh boy. Ooh, pottery basket. Hand painted. And signed on the bottom. Hold on. Let me turn it over. I have no idea what that says. 2002. How much is that? $1.99. I'll get that. It's a little bit darker color than what I like, but other people might like that. What are the colors today? Yellow and green are half off. Pink is $1.49. I looked at that before. Yeah, I see a pressed flower glass. Ooh, I like this one. Wait, it says Beethoven, never mind. It's pressed flower. How much is that? Well, you know what? I never had any luck selling stuff like this. But I do like that tray underneath. Put it down here for now. Has some glitter. What does that say? Made in Japan. For $1.99 ain't too bad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. We have a lot of made in Japan trays that haven't sold yet. What about this black bowl with a gold rim? Orchard porcelain. Pasta. I think tonight might be a pasta night for me. I love spaghetti and meatballs. Now what about this dish underneath? Oh, it's an Ida. For $3.99. I already forgot what the colors are. It's half off. I'm just afraid to ship it. It's very, very large and heavy. That's a nice pattern. Looks like it's hand painted. Leaf vine. Oh, look at this cute cat. It's a ceramic made in Japan. I don't see any damage. I'm gonna put that in and get a price on it. They'll probably charge like $1. I'll be fine with that. It probably sells for like $8, 8 to 10. There's a Starbucks travel mug for was gonna say Halloween for Christmas. Some holly and berry, I think that is. And it's rusted on the bottom. It is half off though, so it'll be $1. Now let's check out this green teapot and sugar. Oh, it has slits on the bottom. I wonder if it goes in here for tea. No, that doesn't look right. The glazes are different. Let me look at the teapot with no lid though. $2.99. Kind of like it. Almost looks like a pumpkin. It's a mid-century ashtray. Ooh, what are those? I thought that was Blendo at first. Rhythm Homer Laughlin. This is funky. What was that one? Those two places that I left. I can't remember the artist's name. Well, they're not here. They might be over here somewhere though. There's another cat. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, it's Otagiri. It's probably something that doesn't sell for too much. We have a lot of lower profit items, so I'm gonna leave it at half too. Oh, what is that? Oh, Friends. Oh, it's newer. I don't know how I missed this. What does that say on the bottom? Nibbles and Ashes. Jessica Sporn, 2011. I'm gonna leave it. Oh, look at this mug. Life is a hoot. It looks really sarcastic. I kind of like it. $2.99. I was gonna get it for myself. Ooh, look at these. Oh, they're ceramic. They looked like plastic at first. They're $1 each. Definitely looks like it has some age. Got a chip on there. Oh, it's probably made by... I can't really tell. I was gonna say Unesco. It's a pottery dish with a heart. Kind of looks like a lobster. There's claws. Long Family Potters, 1988. Pennsylvania. Okay, so I decided to get the plate, the Long Family Potters, for $2.99. I could probably get like $40. I would say $35 to $40. Oh, look how cool this sugar is. It's a swan. Ooh, it even has detail on the handle, on the spoon. Let me turn it over. It's made in China. Kind of like it though. I wish I had the creamer with it. Ah, there's a Scentsy. Authentic Scentsy product, Heavenly, for $4.99. Let's take a look. Ooh, I hope it's not broken. Oh yeah, it's broken right out the base. Darn it. Oh. Alright, I'm not seeing much more. Let's take a look at this. It's $1.99. It looks like it has some age. Ooh, look at that. I've sold a pumpkin before. That's only $1.99. I'll get that. Is there any chips? Nope, that's not a chip. It's glazed over. I'm gonna put that in for $2. There, a lot of pottery. Oh, look at what we have down here. Yes, I think it is bark cloth. Ooh, look at that. Let's take a closer look. Trying to find a price. Ooh, 99 cents. I think it's a panel, just one. I'm gonna put that in. Even just one panel, people just use it as fabric and they make something else out of it. And that's a good mid-century colors. I love the orange and green. Alrighty, I am not seeing anything else. So we're getting the bark cloth, the Pennsylvania pottery dish, this pottery basket, the cute kitty. I'm buying the willow tree for somebody else, one of my friends. It's only $2, and this. Alright, so my total spend at Salvation Army was only $11, and I spent $20 at the Habitat store. I'm excited about those 2 mid-century plaques. They sell for about $65. I might be able to list them for more, so I could get our money back for today's trip just selling one item. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our eBay store. We're running a 20% off sale, and I'll see everybody next time. Bye.